Hey guys, it's Jolene here with the Home Stitchery Decor YouTube channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jolene. I am from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. I sell modern farmhouse home decor, and then I teach all kinds of business stuff here on my channel. If you like content like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and we will get right into it. Okay, so in today's video, I wanted to talk to you about different print-on-demand companies and showcase some of these different companies and the products that you can get to feature some of your artwork. If you're not familiar with what print-on-demand is, you have a design, they have a product, you put your design on their product, the customer orders the product off of whichever platform you choose to list your product on, or you can order it direct, or you can order wholesale for yourself, and then the product gets shipped out to the customer. If you're ordering the product direct, of course, you're going to have to ship out the product yourself. But the benefit of having a print-on-demand process is that these providers link up to your Shopify store or your Etsy store, and the customer orders. The order goes right through, and then the customer gets their order shipped out straight from the manufacturer with perhaps even your branded packaging on it. So you don't have to carry any inventory. You do have to pay for the product up front because it does take a minute from the time that they produce the product to the time the customer gets the product. And in between there, you need to make sure that you have money available on a credit card to pay for the product, and then you get paid after the fact. So it's a really good business model. A lot of people are talking about it. I teach pretty basic step-by-step tutorials for how to get started with some repeat patterns on this channel. There's several different videos, but today I wanted to specifically focus on some different providers where you can get some products from. So I've just got 5 here today that I'm going to focus on. And the first one is going to be Artofwear. So we'll bring it up here on the computer. And Artofwear, you can just sign up for any of these platforms. You just sign up, you create yourself an account. You're going to have to put in your name, address, telephone number, banking information, and if you have a store that you want to sell these on, you're going to have to connect them as well. You're going to find a common theme here with the stores that these providers connect to, and they're almost always available. Well, they're always available to connect to Shopify. Shopify is, in my opinion, the best e-commerce platform to be selling anything on. I will put a link here in the video description. I'm an affiliate for Shopify. You can do this business model. It's really not that hard. Just sign yourself up for a Shopify account, start designing your products, link them over. Shopify's plans vary from time to time. The plan that they have available right now is you get 3 days for $1, and then you get the month for, oh no, sorry, that's not right. You get 3 days for free, and then your first month is $1. And then after that, you have to pay the monthly fee for your plan. So you've got like 30 days essentially for $1 to get yourself going and start building your business. So it's a really good plan. The plans change without notice. I have no say in that. So the QR code will take you to the latest plan that is available when it is available. Okay, so we're in Artofwear, and I wanted to showcase this one because they have some really cool, when you go to their products, where can we see it here? Okay, products. We're going to come over here to bags and totes. And I wanted to show you guys the bags and totes here. One of the ones that I really like is this Cotton Market tote bag. It's quite large, and this is where you would design your product, right? So they're going to break down exactly what's available for this product. They're going to tell you what the fabric options are for it. This one is a poly canvas, and it's a heavier weight polyester textile. And that is made for specifically shopping. So they're going to give you all the benefits and the features of each product. They're going to explain to you how it's made. They're going to come down to the profit calculator for this product and how much money you're going to make. You'll obviously be able to set your own prices on the platforms that you want. And they're going to give you some general information of it, some inspiration ideas for ways that you could showcase this product or use this product after it's been purchased. And they're going to showcase their manufacturing, etc., etc. So Artofwear, I do love their tote bags. And the other thing I liked on this platform, I don't want to get too far deep into every single product on every single platform. I just want to give you a general overview. But the second one that I loved, and if you followed along with anything that I do in my business, you know that I work with cotton and paper, and Artofwear has cotton fabrics. So they've got the fabric section over here on the right-hand side, and then this thing keeps coming down here. Okay, try it this way. Here we go. Okay, so now we've clicked on cotton fabrics. We're going to see what's available here. You can have an all-over print and placement prints here. And the one that I like is the organic quilting cotton. Typically, all the products that I make with quilting cotton. So I do have my own textile designs. And now look at this, I can order my own fabric. So Artofwear is a great one. If you like those kind of products, I would highly recommend getting started with them. So the next one I am going to feature is Printed Mint. Now, Printed Mint has some really cool products on here as well. And we can just come over here, and once we've selected products, we can select their best sellers. And they've got them filtered out here for what is actually selling the best for them. Everything from decals to hostess towels, minky blankets. Those are their best-selling products right here on this page. Corkback coaster. These ones are adorable. I did make some for my Christmas markets with my repeatable Christmas designs, and they came out pretty good as well. They've also got all kinds of accessories here on Printed Mint. And the other thing is they've got pashmina scarf, mood diffusers, and they've got lunch boxes, luggage tags, car mats, yoga mat towel, and they've also got sequin reversible string bags, which are super cute. So these are some of the accessories that they feature. And again, they integrate with Shopify, they integrate with Etsy. You need to make an account and then pick the best provider that you think you want to do. My best advice actually would be pick one provider and get to know that platform really well before you start going off to other print providers. So if you focus on one thing, say you're building a fence and the fence has nails all the way along, right? If you hit one nail each time, it's going to take you a long time to get a board in. But if you hit the nail on the fence like 10 times over on the same nail, chances are you're going to get that board in quicker. And the same applies to businesses. Just really focus on the one thing that you want to do and then move on to the next thing after you've got that one figured out. Okay, so the next print provider I would like to focus is, drum roll please, Printful. And so I've pulled up Printful here, and right now we're on the platforms and marketplaces section that they focus on. So the always on the top of the list, you're going to find with all of these integration things is they've got, where is it now? Products, platforms and marketplaces, platform comparisons. So they've got their Printful app themselves that you can focus on. And the next one on the list is Shopify. Shopify is always on the top of the list. And you don't get to the top of the list unless you're at the top of the list. And you can sign up for a Shopify store here. I will put the QR code in again. I will put all the links in. If I'm an affiliate for any of these ones, I will put the links in the video descriptions as well. If you want to sign up for these platforms with a link that I provide, I do receive small commissions for sharing links in that way. So Shopify is the best one, in my opinion, to get started with. When you start at the top, it's easier to learn, and you can always pick on other, add on other platforms as you go along. Okay, so the products that I like here with Printful, just going to pull up the product selection again. And again, they're going to have different products featured. And in their section here, they've got eco-friendly products, which, a lot of people are really conscious about the environment right now, and you could build an entire brand over eco-friendly products and, just build a whole Shopify store. You could do it, say you did this around these organic cotton aprons, and you put, 100 different cotton aprons with a different design on your Shopify store and then just marketed the heck out of it. You would be able to grow pretty quick, I believe, with that, because people are very conscious about You know, there was the whole sourdough bread thing going on during COVID, which doesn't seem to slow down ever. There's all these homesteaders out there that you could market an organic cotton apron to. It's crazy. So, you know, check out a product, pick one thing, and then move on from that. These guys have a recycled scrunchie in here as well. So, say you were building a brand for a homesteader type lifestyle lady, you know, an organic cotton apron with a hair scrunchie that she could get her hair up out of the way while she was making her sourdough bread, I think would go over pretty well. So that is the third provider that I think you could use to make your products. And the next one I'm going to focus is Gelato. So here we are back in Gelato, and one of the favorite things that I like on the Gelato platform was the calendars. So I was at a Christmas market this year, and there was a lady at a booth next to me, and all she had was stationery that she had done with print on demand. It was crazy. So she had cards, she had gift tags, and she had calendars as well. So Gelato has a couple of great calendars here. You can get them in either portrait or landscape, or I guess vertical or horizontal. There's my photography background coming out. So they've got all kinds of wall calendars here that you can make. We'll just click one open here. This first one is fulfilled in 23 countries. So what that means is you could sell this product to multiple countries, and because it's printed in multiple countries, your customer would not have to wait as long. So say this product was printed in Germany and your customer was in Germany, your product is going to get shipped out to the customer a lot faster, and they're going to receive the item a lot quicker than had you had it printed, say, in the United States and then shipped off to Germany. So this is where print on demand is actually eco-friendly as well, because they cut down the waste, they cut down the shipping, they cut down the, you know, you've got to ship your product to a warehouse and hold it there and hope that somebody buys it. And then if they don't buy it, you're discounting it or throwing it out at the end of the year and writing it off as shrink or loss, basically loss, right? Okay, so the calendars are super cute. This is what they look like on the wall. You could start a whole business around calendars. If you could do this locally as well. So if you, say you live in a city, say you live in Seattle, Washington, you could go around Seattle, you could take pictures of all the lovely scenery in Seattle, you could make it into a calendar, and then you could market it in your local community. You could take these calendars to local shops and market them there. You could sell them on Facebook at the end of the year. You could do it where, you know, you take pictures of dogs and sell them for a dog rescue. The possibilities are endless with these calendars. So that is the fourth one that I have focused here on for print-on-demand companies that you could work with. And the fifth one, which is the one that I prefer to work with right now. Drum roll, please. It's Printify. I love Printify. I'm an affiliate for Printify. I will put a link in the video description for them. They have really great customer service, and they have some really great products. Now, when I tell you that I sell modern farmhouse home decor, I'm not making junk. So my stuff is a little higher priced. And when I do a print-on-demand product, I need that product to match the quality of my other products because they do mix and match. So I just put a shower curtain tutorial up a couple of days ago. You can go look for it on the channel. And the shower curtain actually came from Printify. So they've got some, you know, some higher end stuff that, you know, I tell you in the shower curtain video, I tried to order one, you know, off of AliExpress, and the quality compared to what I got from Printify was actually laughable. It was not good. So you see all those advertisements for, you know, print your own shower curtain from AliExpress. I would say to you, skip over that and, you know, pay the extra money and get one that you're actually going to be happy with that will last for years, instead of some piece of crap that you paid, you know, a third of the price for, but it's only going to last 20 minutes. And then you're going to be buying another one, which doesn't work out very well for your wallet anyway. Okay, so the catalog here at Printify is absolutely insane, and I will actually show you the shower curtain that I use in that training video. And so I've just typed in the top here, shower curtains, and I use the one from MWW On Demand. That is the one that I like to use. It's 100% polyester, one-sided print, hooks are not included. There's the pricing on it is $51.20. If you have Printify Premium, which is the monthly subscription plan to Printify, you can pay a monthly fee, and then all of the products that you produce get reduced. So if you're selling quite a few products, it's totally worth it to have a subscription to this because it reduces your overhead. And so they've got the care instructions, all that kind of fun stuff. And then if I wanted to start designing this right now, which I don't really, but I'll just show you quick here from my library. This is the one that I designed in that tutorial. So you can go ahead and watch that full tutorial if you want, and I will just show you the design here as it comes up. And there is the design that I focused on in the other tutorial. Okay, so when we come back to the catalog, one of the things I really like about Printify is how many home and living things they have, and that's probably because I sell modern farmhouse home decor, but they really do have a ton of products. And so you can just scroll through and see all the available products, from wall clocks to window curtains, yard signs, banners, lamps. They've got these beanbag chair covers. Those are kind of crazy. Window curtains, wall panels. And they've even got things like balloons, acrylic wall clocks, and ceramic photo boards, banners. Like, the list just goes on and on and on. And then if you come back up to the top and say you just wanted to do a pillow, you could just type in pillow. All the available pillows that they have come up here. You can get square pillows, polyester pillow, lumbar pillows, and even duvet covers here from this provider. So that's Printify. So those are 5 print-on-demand providers that I would recommend getting products from. You can get started today. If you're not sure how to create your own designs, I do have another video tutorial on how to get designs on the channel here. I will link it at the end of this video. Have a great time, you guys. Please subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out, and shop from the links if you can. Have a wonderful day. Go encourage somebody else to start their small business. Small businesses need to get back in the game because our economy is not working out so well with all these corporations being in charge of everything. So we need some small businesses. You guys, you can do it. I promise you, it's not that hard. All right. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.